Okay, so I'm Haydn from Canon. So my position is the Manager of Wide Format Marketing, and I'm based in Melbourne. And so what we've got with these two machines, the ColorWave 700 and the ColorWave 910. So we start with the ColorWave 700. And so this machine is what we call the business in a box. And we call it that because of its versatility. And just get this print over. And so this machine uses what we call the crystal point technology. And so you can see here with the toner pearls that, and the benefit of the crystal point technology is really about trying to bring the best of both worlds of a toner system and an inkjet system together. And so we're able to get the throughput of a toner system whilst achieving similar sorts of vibrancy in the output. And you can see here with the output is that we're producing short-term poster work. Okay, so these are temporary signage, and these might be up, retailers might use these for short-term promotional work. They might stay up for a week or two. I mean, depending on the exposure to sunlight, you can get some good life out of this. So it's a productive machine. So we're able to output a lot of prints per hour, and it's not just limited to poster work as well. You can see here that we've actually produced a print on canvas. So that's a canvas stock, and so you can start to see the flexibility or the versatility of this machine with different types of stock. This is a Tyvek, or a soft banner, and we also have plain paper. So it certainly can produce a lot of good sheen and good finish on plain paper, and even right down to your CAD work, say black and white line drawings right up to full colour posters. The machine has 6 roll drawers, so the users can load up multiple types of media and do different types of jobs, different types of applications without having to always change roles, and it reduces that manual labour component to it. So it's a very flexible machine. It's very easy to use. We have a touchpad screen that works very similar to, say, like an iPad. So you do have good familiarity with using it, so it's quite an intuitive system to use. Okay, so moving on to the display graphics machines, we've got the Arizona flatbed and the ProCut, and what I'll do is I'll hand it over to Tom. And so Tom McKerrow is the product manager for display graphics, Canon Australia, and he'll take you through a quick rundown on the different machines here. Tom?
Focus on that. All right. Okay. So this is the first time that we've shown the 1200 series to the public in Australia. This is the 1280 GT. There's a few significant new features in the series, in the 1200 series. We've got a new controller interface. We've also brought down the registration pins for easier media loading. Again, on this machine we also have the roll media option, which you can choose to add if you have an ability or a requirement for that. One of the key features on this model that we haven't had on any of the mid-volume machines is we now have light cyan and light magenta, and that's able to give us a higher quality output on all our substrates and roll media options. I'm the display graphics product manager for Canon Australia, and the machines that fall under the display graphics are the Arizona flatbed machines, the ProCut digital cutters, and the Seiko M64S. What you see here is the ProCut, the OSE ProCut, and what we're about to do is through cut some stickers and kiss cut them all out. And what this really highlights is the efficiency of speed and how you can cut the decals out. This is a 3200L model, and as you can see right now we're about to start the cutting process. So it's picking up the registration pins just at the moment, and once it's recognised that, all the artworks and the vectors will be cut out simultaneously. So complex shapes are not a problem for this machine. It's very accurate, and you can see up closer a little bit that these aren't straight circles. They're actually designed just to show the agility of the machine. And the 3200L ProCut here, we believe we have one of the best, most streamlined processes in terms of print to cut. And if you're looking to get down to visual impact in the next couple of days, definitely come by and see us. Regardless if you don't see us now, always pick up the phone and give us a call.